Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Get ready with Dyson. Give the gift of invention. Special edition blue blush.
Are you excited for Halloween, everybody? Yeah. Please? Hi. What's your name?
Joseph,
Joseph, how old are you? What grade are you in?
3rd grade,
How old are you?
8,
These are trick questions. I'm gonna... And what are you right now? Who are you dressed as?
Raphael. Pharrell.
That's right, right? His friends call him Raphael. It's insider information. So you're Pharrell, but you're not really complete yet. Let me show you who else we have. Come on over here. What's your name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas. How old are you, Nicholas?
6.
6? Are you in school?
Yes.
What grade?
1st.
Okay. And what are you dressed as?
Pharrell's hat.
That's right. Better known as Raphael's hat. This obviously isn't the actual size. Pharrell's is much bigger. All right, let me give you some candy, okay? Let's see. Here. There you go. Step on over there. I put my cigarette out earlier. I guess it didn't go out. Most popular costume this Halloween is the Ice Queen from a certain Disney movie. So if you want to set yourself apart, I came out with this. Come on out, please. what's your name?
Lauren.
What? I can't hear you.
Lauren.
Well, I'm sorry?
Lauren.
You should save the air. I'm sorry. You should... Lauren, how old are you?
6.
6 years old? What grade are you in?
First.
Okay, and what are you supposed to be?
Frozen.
You're Frozen, that's right. It's a great costume if you want to stay cool and terrible if you trick or treat in a building or with a lot of stairs around you. All right, Lauren. Very good. All right. There's another grown-up. Hold on, before you take her away. This is if you want to be as Frozen, but you're a grown-up. It's Scotch on the Rocks. Thank you, Andy. All right, there's a car commercial that you've probably seen on television. It gave me an idea for these next 2 costumes. Come on out. Hi, what's your name?
Milo.
Hi, Milo. How old are you?
6.
6. What grade are you in?
First.
Okay, and Milo, who are you?
Matthew McConaughey.
That's right. Do this with your fingers. Do that with your fingers, that's right. All right. What's your name?
Raquel.
Raquel, and what grade are you in and how old are you?
First grade, and I'm 6 years old.
6 years old, okay, and you're the bull?
I'm Cyrus the Bull.
Cyrus the bull, you're in the way. You have to go back and go all the way around. Here, let me show you, just so everybody can see the Cyrus the bull. All right, adorable. There you go. Here we go. Lauren, there you go. Thank you very much. Head on over there. This last costume is a kid who wants something, if you want something unique, here you go. Hi, what's your name?
Nia.
Nia, how old are you?
6.
6. Are you in the first grade?
Yes.
That's what I thought. And you are dressed as?
A olive.
You're an olive. Well, no, wait a minute. I wasn't finished. We ran out of time. The show had to start, so I'm going to finish it right now. Hold on one second. Okay. There. Hold this. Now, you're a character from one of my favorite television shows, Scandal. You're Olive Pope. Olive Pope. Red wine. That's grape juice. That's ridiculous. That's just a waste. All right, let's give you some candy.
Amazon Prime Big Deal Days are here. Shop 2 days of epic savings and feel like a big deal, included with a Prime membership.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trends Central. Now, what I have for you in today's video are 10 photos that will test your intelligence. So basically, in this video, there will be many photos that will test how smart and observant you actually are. Now, you might get some right. However, you'll surely be getting some wrong too, due to them just being very tricky. Now, if you like these videos, then make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Now, if you did subscribe to the channel, then leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," as a few lucky comments will be winning an Amazon gift card. But anyway, let's begin today's video. Number 10. Now, in your opinion, are the squares inside the blue and yellow squares the same color? Now, although it doesn't seem this way, the squares are in fact the exact same color. The reason this happens is due to your eyes and mind's perception of color. Did this one get you? Number 9. Now, from the 2 diagrams you see on the screen right now, which diagram is longer? Is it the line on top or at the bottom? Now, if you said the bottom line is longer, then you're unfortunately wrong, as in reality, they are exactly the same size. It's just the outside lines that make things complicated and create the visual illusion. Number 8. Coming in at the number 8 spot is a really old photo. However, till this day, it still confuses many people. Now on one side of the photo, it appears that there are 3 planks of wood. However, on the other side, it seems that there are 4. So, none at all. Number 7 time.